Most people who say they want $10 million are lying to themselves. They want the lifestyle. They don't want the path. Here's the only realistic way most normal people actually get there. First truth, you will not get rich from a regular salary and investing $200 a month. The math doesn't work. To hit $10 million, you need one of three things: high income, ownership, or both. Path 1. Get extremely good at something valuable and get paid like it's software sales, specialized medicine, high-level trades, finance. Push your household income toward $250K, $500K, then live like you make half of that. Save and invest 40-60% every single year. Do this for 20-25 years with broad index funds and some equity in growing companies. And the compounding starts working for you instead of against you. Path 2. The one that creates most actual $10 million outcomes. Own something, a business, real estate, equity in a company. You help build a high salary funds the start. Ownership multiplies it. Most people who cross $10 million didn't get there from their W-2 alone. They got a piece of the upside. Here's the part nobody likes. It takes time. And 15 to 30 years for the majority who make it. There is no clean 5-year plan for average people. You will watch others flex cars and trips while you keep investing. You will feel behind. That's normal. The ones who win just don't stop. Final truth. Skill, income, savings rate, ownership, time. Miss any one of those and the $10 million stays a fantasy. Most people quit at the income or the savings rate stage. The ones who don't, quietly build it. If you're serious, stop collecting motivation and start tracking your actual savings rate this month. That's the real first step. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on YouTube and Facebook.